It's nice and warm. Now I gave it the best sort of finish that I could without really digging into it too much. I don't mind this tiny little divots here and there. Kind of gives it a lot of character, right? Like, still has that sort of old kind of vibe to it. So now I'm gonna get ready to get that handle on. Decided I'm gonna go with the other handle that I have because, well, I've had it and it's in a much rougher condition. So I'm going to clean this up. I gotta chisel away at this a bit, sort of make it fit into there. It's a little thicker than the one I bought, but I'm going to save that for another head, which is tighter than what this one is. So I might as well whittle this one, get it in, have to whittle the other one too. So it's together. It's in. Not as pretty as I would like the top to be, but beggars can't be choosers. Now I just got to clean up the handle a little bit more because I got some crud on it. So like, you need to clean that off before I stain. So this is the sanded, stained, and polished CN Railway 16-pound sledgehammer. When I clean the head again someday down the road, there'll be less and less of those divots. I just didn't feel like I needed to grind away that aggressively the first go. It looks fantastic if you ask me.